So, hi folks. Today we're going to have something a little bit different than coins here on Tim's Coins. We're going to have a little browse through some Irish notes. So, why not let's just dive in and let's have a look. So the first one we have here on top is a £1 note. It's a type 4. It has Queen Maeve. It's dated 1989. You can see there, 12th to the 4th, 89. It hasn't seen the best of times. So it has. Central Bank of Ireland. It's a legal tender of £1. Some writing from possibly the Book of Kells. Ancient manuscripts. Nice little note. I remember well spending them. And then we have the £5 note. This is it's quite a nice note. These are definitely depictions from the Book of Kells. This one is no, I'll have to get this right. It's Joannis Scotus Virginia. I probably butchered that. He was a prophet or philosopher, should I say? So if I have butchered his name, somebody can let me know. Dated the 12th to the 3rd, 1993. And it's quite that's in quite good nick. There it is. Nice little note. These are all Series B notes. So this is the £10 note. Then we have Jonathan Swift, the poet. This is a coat of arms of Dublin, dated 14th to the 4th, 92. On the back we have it's a 56 map of Dublin. Great Abbey Street, Aston Keys. That's in good nick again. It's quite a nice note. See Jonathan Swift's signature there. Next we have a £20 note. 19th to the 10th, 1989. This is W.B. Yeats. And we have here, you can see, it's a nice picture of one of our mythical heroes, Cú Chulainn, with his hound. It's quite a nice note. On the back then we have the Blasket Islands on Blasket Moor in Inishtirroch. So they're nice. They're beautiful islands down off the Kerry coast, off the Dingle Peninsula. Favourite place of ours to go holidaying. So that's a nice note. Incidentally, that W.B. Yeats was the chairperson of the Coin Commission in 1926 when it was formed for the new coinage of Ireland that was brought out in 1928. So that's a nice note. Then we move on to this is actually a C series note. This is Daniel O'Connell. You can see, if you can see the date there, it's 1775 to 1847. He was an Irish politician. The Four Courts in Dublin here on the back of it. It's quite a smaller £20 note than its last one, as you can see. They got smaller as time went on. Now we move back. These are the Series A notes. These are Lady Lavery, Lady Hazel Lavery. They were called the Lady Lavery notes. Nice note. Not that much design on them. These are river masks from the Dublin Customs House. And I don't think you'd be able to see it, but there's a watermark in there. It is of the head of Ireland. And then we have the £10 note. Same thing, Lady Lavery. She's leaning on a harp here. 1975. Another mask from the Customs House. Nice, nice. So I've one more to show you. And it's my very first note that I ever got. I got it from my father. And it's a £1. And it's dated the 1st of October. 1st of October 1925. And it says a promise to pay the bearer on demand £1 at Dublin. Signed by J. Brown. I would assume this predicts Hibernia with the harp. Coat of arms there. Not much going on the back of it. The same coat of arms. And just the £1 sign, which we were called punts. The notes here. It has the National Bank Limited. In the 20s, banks issued their own notes. In the £1 note there was 12 issued, one per month. Not actually one note, I would assume there was many of them printed. But each bank, the Bank of Ireland, the National Bank, so on, there was 5 or 6 banks, and they all just produced their own notes. So they're quite nice to have. You won't find too many of these floating around. Now this one hasn't seen the best of looking after, but I sort of like notes like that because you know they've been used for the purpose they were intended. So yeah, so there we go. Nice little setup of notes. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, why don't you hit the subscribe button, give us a like, and maybe leave us a comment and see what you think. Give me some feedback, it'd be great. So, and if you want to know any more about the notes, don't be afraid to ask. Okay, so there you go. Thank you very much for looking. Slán.